Hello everyone. Since today is Monday, I wanted to tell you a few things about planning. Planning is an important life skill. Without planning, anything and everything cannot be done. So, planning not only gives us safety and security in life, but it also teaches discipline and to act according to our plan. Planning also reduces our anxiety about future and help us improve our trust we keep on ourselves. All of us have the habit of blaming ourselves when things go out of our hands and bringing the thought of we should have planned earlier. So, in this video, I'll tell you the importance of planning. Choosing a direction is the first most important point in planning. It is not only about choosing a direction, but it is about choosing the right direction. So, direction means having goals to make progress slowly and reach your destination in time. Direction gives purpose in anything and everything that we do. Great men once said, direction is always important than speed. Next to direction comes uncertainty. So, what is uncertainty? It is the feeling of what if things go out of our plan. Always focus on things that are under your control. Leave the rest to God. Learn to tolerate, embrace the inevitable uncertainty of life. Planning also helps us to reduce the wasteful actions. Trust your gut. When it says no, then there is no point in continuing the same action, being it a job, an educational course, a relationship, or situation. Planning is going to give us confidence for innovative ideas. We all are capable of doing mind blowing things in our life if we don't restrict ourselves from doing so. It is about how we define breaking of what is expected of us and do something big in life. The last step in planning is decision making. Identify your goal, gather information about your goal, consider the consequences of your goal, make your decision, evaluate your decision, and act accordingly. But in spite of all your efforts and planning, what if things don't go according to your plan? For it is not an experiment which is done in a lab, but it is your life. Things always don't go according to your plan. There is a 50-50 chance of failures too. In the situations, always remember there is always an alternative path to your plans and your success. It is just not the end. Take rest, my friend. Take a little bit of rest for a day or two and come back because whatever happens, life has to go on. There will always be tomorrow. Okay friends, in this video, I have explained everything about importance of planning. Take it into your mind. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. Take care.